Hello students, myself Deepika Prajapati from Computer Department and welcome to all of you in our today's video lecture series. So today we are going to discuss about mapping drives, and this topic is very most important topic for GTU University exam. So how asked this question in GTU exam? So in a GTU exam, this question asked as explain mapping drives of networking. So whenever this type of question asked in GTU exam, then you all have to attempt this type of answer for the question is mapping drives. So let's start mapping drives. So what is mapping drive, how it work and how it configure? So here first of all, you can use shares by opening them in my network places and they function like the folders in my computer. So however, you might frequently want to simulate a connected hard disk on your computer with share from the network system. For example, suppose you use a network computer drive as a normal drive on your computer, then we can say as the process of simulating a disk drive with a network share, it is known as mapping. That means it called mapping, where you create a map between the drive letter you want to use and the actual network share to remain attached to that drive letters. So whenever the process of simulating a disk drive with a network sharing system, and this process is known as mapping drive of the networking process. Okay, next, the step to map a drive. So first of all, you have to open network from the client computer. So here you all see this type of pop-up box. So first of all, you have to open network from client computer. The step number 2 says locate share you want to map, and then right click it and choose map network drive. Next, step number 3 says select appropriate drive for mapping and click finish. Next, working with printers, very most important topic for GTU exam. So first of all, here one is understanding network printing, and then we understand about working with printer. So first of all, here let's start understanding of network printing. So a print job is a set of binary data sent from network workstation to network printer. So a print job is the same data that a computer would send to a locally connected printer, and it's just redirect to the network for printing. Network workstation send the print job to the print queue is responsible for formatting the print data property for the printer, and this is done by printer driver installed in network workstation. So printer driver are also specific to each operating system that uses them. For example, HP 1020 print driver for Windows Explorer XP is different from HP 1020 print driver for Windows 7 operating system. It means that it says about printing driver is also specific to each properly operating system, and that is used for any of using this example is HP 1020 print driver for Windows Explorer system, but here one Windows Explorer system is different from HP 1020 print driver for Windows 7 operating system. Okay. Next, here one is data to be printed goes first to the print server. So this is our personal computer and that is accessed by any client, and here one is our file server, this one is our printer server, and this one is look at C, our printer, it means our hardware machine. So here one, the data to be printed goes first to the print server. So whenever we access any print document, so first of all our data to be printed goes to first in print server and then it extend to printer machine. Okay. Next, setting up network printer. So to set up a network printer, you need to install print and document services role. So these one the following steps for the install setting of network printer. So here the steps to install print and document services role in Windows Server 2012 are as below. So first of all, log in to Server 2012 as an administrator. Also role of Active Directory DHCP server. It means Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol server, and DNS server must be present. It means domain name system server must be present. Then step number 2, click on add roles and features from manage. So here one, you have to select add roles and features option from manage menu. Then click next on the add roles and feature wizard. So here one left hand side of the pane, here you have to select first of all before you begin, click next button on the add roles and features wizard. So click on here next button. Then make sure role based or feature based installation option is selected. So here one is installation type. Our role based or features based installation by default selected already. So that's why we can say as make sure role based or feature based installation option is selected. Next, select the destination server where this new role would be installed. So this one is selected by depends on any destination server where is the new role would be installed. So you have to select a server destination where this new role would be installed. Okay, then click on next button. Then select and tick the checkbox of print and document services on the server roles pages. Then next, click add features on the add roles and features wizard. So here in this pop-up menu says add features that are required for print and document services. So you have to click add features on add roles and features wizard. So here you have to click on add features button. Next, click on the next button. No additional features are needed to be installed. So you have to click next button. Then next, click on print and document services role description page. Then here select the print server on role services page and click on next button. So here one you have to select print server and then click on next button. And then finally confirm installation and click the install of our print network for the configuration of network printing. Okay, and now installation progress page appear as given below in this type of pop-up box, and then click close after installation succeed. So here one you all see in this pop-up box our installation process is appear in this type of pop-up box. So installation progress page appear as given below, and then you have to click close after installation succeed. Now next point, working with Windows backup. This all topic is a very most important topic for our GTU University exam. That's why I am cover this all topic. Okay, so be kindly focus on this all topic. So here next topic, working with Windows backup, and this topic is also very most important topic for G2 exam. So how this type of question asked in G2 exam? So like in G2 exam asked explain working with Windows backup steps. So whenever this type of question asked in G2 exam, then you have to attempt this type of answer for working with Windows backup. So let's start our new topic, working with Windows backup. So one task is more for a network administrator is making regular and reliable backup for data on the system. So you can use Windows Server Backup to backup a full server, selected volumes, the system state or specific files or folder. You can use Windows Server Backup to create and manage backups for the local computer or remote computer, and you can schedule backups to run automatically. Next, different types of backup. So here one is given a different types of backup. So first of all, full backup, copy backups, incremental backups, daily copy and differential backup. So full backup is described as backup and mark selected files whether or not they have changed since the last backup. Copy backup says as backup all selected files without marking them as being backup. Incremental backup says backup and mark selected files only if they have changed since the last time they were backup. Daily copy, it means that backup only those files that have been modified that day without marking them as being backup. And differential backup, that is nothing but it is selected files only if they have changed since last time they were backup without marking them as being backup. So here one is given different types of our backup system. The advantages of Windows backup server is faster backup technology, improved scheduling, simplified recovery of your operating system, remote administration, ability to recover application, support for optical or removable media drives. Using Windows Server Backup software, so first of all click Start, then you have to click Server Manager, then click Features, Add Features. On the Select Features page, expand Windows Server Backup features and then select checkbox for Windows Server Backup and command line tools. Then click Add Required Features and then click Next button. On the Confirm Installation selection page, review the choice that you made and then click Install. If any error occurs, that it will note on installation result page. And dear all student, from this chapter the most important question are: first, explain how to add, modify, delete and disable user account. Second question is, what do you mean by group membership? Third one is, discuss, create and maintain group membership. Then explain, otherwise list out the different types of group. Then next question, how to map drives in Active Directory. Write down the steps for create a share. Then discuss different types of backup and write down steps to set up network printer. So this all question is a very most important question for our G2 exam, and this all question answer we have already covered in our previous video lecture series and today's video lecture series. So I hope you all easily understand from this video lecture and previous video lecture for this all question. Okay, so thank you so much.